Number 1. 1977 Ford Granada, $4,500, Gilbert, Minnesota. This 1977 Ford Granada Coupe is listed for $4,500 in Gilbert, Minnesota. It has a 302 cubic inch V8 engine with a C4 automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The odometer shows 107,000 miles and has rolled over. The car has been garage kept and reportedly never driven on salted winter roads. Number 2. 1973 Cadillac Coupe, $3,999, Avondale, Arizona. This 1973 Cadillac Coupe is listed for $3,999 in Avondale, Arizona. Finished in blue with an automatic transmission, it shows 89,000 miles on the odometer and carries a clean title. These large Cadillac Coupes were known for smooth V8 power and luxurious highway comfort during the early 1970s. The car runs but has not been driven for some time, so it will likely need some mechanical attention before regular use. With its classic American luxury styling and relatively low price, it could be a good restoration candidate or weekend cruiser project. Number 3. 1989 Ford Ranger XLT Super Cab 4-wheel drive, $4,200, Riverside, California. This 1989 Ford Ranger XLT Super Cab 4-wheel drive pickup is offered for $4,200 in Riverside, California. It is powered by a 2.9-liter V6 engine with a 4-speed automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives well, idles smoothly, and recently completed a 150-mile highway drive without problems. The seller states that their father was the original owner and that original documents and maintenance receipts are included. The exterior was repainted white and shows no major dents or rust. The interior is in good condition but needs a new headliner, and the heater does not work. Overall, it appears to be a solid, classic compact truck that can still be used regularly. Number 4. 1986 Nissan 300 ZX Coupe, 3,500, Texas. This 1986 Nissan 300 ZX Coupe is listed for $3,500 in Burleson, Texas. Powered by a V6 engine with a 5-speed manual transmission, this rear-wheel drive hatchback represents the popular Japanese sports cars of the 1980s. The odometer reads 229,399 miles. The car runs and drives well, but is considered a running project. It needs a brake master cylinder, an air conditioning compressor, and repair to an electrical lighting issue. The car features T-tops, aftermarket aluminum wheels, and a new front windshield. Despite its needs, it remains a fun entry-level classic sports car. Number 5. 1967 Oldsmobile Delmont 88 two-door, $6,800, Kirtland Air Force Base, New Mexico. Number 5. 1967 Oldsmobile Delmont 88 two-door, $6,800, Kirtland Air Force Base, New Mexico. This 1967 Oldsmobile Delmont 88 two-door coupe is offered for $6,800 in Kirtland Air Force Base, New Mexico. The Delmont 88 was introduced as a more affordable full-size model in the Oldsmobile lineup, while still sharing the large platform and strong V8 performance associated with the brand during the 1960s. The car is finished in white with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. The odometer reads approximately 200,000 miles. While it previously ran and drove, it has been sitting in the seller's yard and will likely need mechanical attention before returning to the road. The engine and transmission are still installed and appear to be original components. With its clean title and solid starting point, this Oldsmobile could make a rewarding restoration project or a unique custom build for someone interested in vintage full-size American coupes. Number 6. 1985 Ford Mustang SVO, $9,000, Bellingham, Washington. This 1985 Ford Mustang SVO is listed for $9,000 in Bellingham, Washington. It features a turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine, producing about 205 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The odometer shows 202,000 miles. The car runs well and recently received new brakes, rotors, battery, and fresh fluids. Some issues include a sagging headliner, minor rust, oil consumption, and a loose rear spoiler. Despite these flaws, the Mustang SVO is a rare performance model produced only from 1984 to 1986 and is respected among Mustang enthusiasts. Number 7. 1976 Alfa Romeo Alfetta GT, $9,750, Sherman Oaks, California. This 1976 Alfa Romeo Alfetta GT is offered at $9,750 in Sherman Oaks, California, and represents a distinctive Italian sports coupe from the 1970s. Finished in silver with a four-cylinder engine and manual transmission, this rear-wheel drive coupe reflects the balanced driving dynamics Alfa Romeo is known for. The odometer shows 25,000 miles but has rolled over, so the actual mileage is higher. The Alfetta GT used a unique transaxle layout with the transmission mounted at the rear to improve weight distribution and handling, helping build its reputation as an engaging driver's car. While not always at the top of collector lists, the Alfetta GT holds a special place among Alfa Romeo enthusiasts who appreciate the clean body lines of the early models. This example is described as a great driver and offers a chance to enjoy classic Italian sports car engineering at a relatively accessible price. Number 8. 1978 MGB Convertible, $6,650, Encinitas, California. This 1978 MGB Convertible is listed for $6,650 in Encinitas, California, and represents one of the most popular British sports cars ever built. Powered by a four-cylinder engine with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, the MGB became known for simple and enjoyable open-air driving. Finished in blue, the car shows 78,000 miles on the odometer. The seller states it runs and drives well and comes with a clean title, while the condition is listed as excellent. Produced from 1962 through 1980, the MGBB gained strong popularity in the United States for its lightweight design, responsive steering, and classic roadster styling. The 1978 model features the later rubber bumper design introduced for safety regulations and appears to be a solid driver ready for relaxed weekend cruising. Number 9. 1965 Pontiac Bonneville, $14,000, Tacoma, Washington. This 1965 Pontiac Bonneville Coupe is offered for $14,000 in Tacoma, Washington. It features a V8 engine with an automatic transmission and shows 38,000 miles on the odometer. Several mechanical updates have been completed, including a rebuilt rear axle, replacement power steering gearbox, and new brakes. The interior is clean with newer upholstery and carpet. The paint is not perfect but still presents well, making this a solid example of a classic 1960s American full-size coupe. Number 10. 1957 Chevrolet 3100 Big Window, $15,000, Watsonville, California. This 1957 Chevrolet 3100 Big Window pickup is listed for $15,000 in Watsonville, California. The truck has been upgraded with a General Motors B body chassis and is powered by a small block 305 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. The seller states that the truck starts reliably and drives well, making it a fun classic driver. It carries a clean 1957 California title with non-operational registration and no back fees. With its desirable big window cab and upgraded drivetrain, it offers a good blend of classic styling and modern usability.